Hey everybody, this is Stephanie, and I just wanted to share with you something that I thought was very helpful to know about our new close to my heart shimmer brushes. There are 3 different colors with the shimmer brushes, and I've had some questions as I've been talking with people, and I just thought I'd pop on and give a quick little tutorial on how to open and use these shimmer brushes. So I got one today. This is the blush color. This is, I'm sorry, Bashful. It is Bashful, which is the color of the year for close to my heart. And so when you open it up, you'll see that it has this fluorescent yellow spacer. What you want to do is, the reason it's like really ugly and really vibrant is so that you know to take it off. So you'll just kind of twist off the cap here, and you'll see that it is just a ring. You'll pop that off the bottom, and then you'll twist the top back on. Now here's the thing. You want to twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. You'll hear a pop, and you'll feel it all come together. And that's how you know it's working. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper here. And so you can see it's together here. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. Okay. And so you'll squeeze it where it says push. You'll squeeze it just a little bit, and you'll see the ink is starting to flow. Let me twist it over. There you go. And you can kind of see. So as you start, the brush is a little stiff until the ink flows. That makes it soft. But then you can see, let me zoom in here. There you go. So you can see that is the pretty Bashful shimmer brush. And so I'll lay this down, focus a little bit here, and you can see the shimmer. So it is a clear sparkle with colored ink. So our other shimmer brushes are slightly different. I'm going to zoom out here. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And I'll show you how they look. So that is the Bashful. And you can tell them apart because they have this color band here. And I'll show you my other ones. So I have clear and I have the gold. So the gold here is marked. And there's the Bashful. And then here's the clear. So they all have bands here to tell which they are. The caps also show you what's inside. Okay. So I want to use a new piece of paper here. And I'm going to do the gold next. I use this one a lot. You have to squeeze it to get the ink flowing. And then the gold is gold shimmer in a clear ink. Alright, so I'll hold that up here and you can see it's still drying, so you'll see most of that, but you can see the shimmer, the gold shimmer. Oh, there we go. As that dries, that's really pretty. I like using that on flowers. And then here for the clear, again, I shake it just because I'm used to water brushes. And these function very much like a water brush with the reservoir in the handle. And you kind of squeeze to get it flowing, and then you brush it on. Then the clear is a clear sparkle in a clear ink. And that is fun. I use that one for leaves. Whoops, where are we going here? There you go. You can see that. So that is my quick little tutorial on shimmer brushes. So they are on my website, and they are, I'd have to look that up. I think they're $5.99. $5.95. And so these are fun. Thanks so much.